I had to reset the oil light in a 2019 Honda Accord. Car is running right now. You can do it when it's running too, so doesn't matter. Okay, let's do it when it's running. Okay, start the car. It's running now. And you use this to go to the main menu. You're gonna see it here. Click it. See that menu? You scroll down with this. Scroll down. See maintenance. Click with this. It's gonna go in. I reset it already, but if you wanna reset it, just press this. It's gonna ask you which one you wanna reset. Well, you can do this one, all do items, or you can pick the one that is set for your oil change. But I'm just gonna do all do items. That's gonna reset the oil light. Alright. Oil life 100% set. Alright, there you go. 2019 Honda Accord. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. See ya. Hasta.